In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this simple hair leave-in conditioner that you can use when you have braids in or where your natural hair is out. Let's get right into it. The first ingredient you're going to need is silk peptides. This is like a powder form and it dissolves perfectly in any liquid or water, not oil, water. You need some aloe vera juice and some olive oil. This is super simple, but it's so good for your hair. Aloe vera is super moisturizing, as you know. Olive oil will help sealing all the moisture, and the silk peptides are the most important ingredient you can use here because it really helps to strengthen the hair. It provides protein to the hair, so it helps with thickness, and it works beautifully even if you have braids in your hair. Of course, I made a mess whilst I was trying to pour my olive oil into my aloe vera in the bottle. I didn't really use any specific measurements as such, but this bottle was 100 ml. I used half a teaspoon of silk peptides and about a tablespoon of olive oil. So, you know, just eyeball it, see how you go. But these three ingredients work amazing. I've been using it in my hair for forever, and it really helps with hair growth, length retention, all that good stuff. So this is what it looks like once you're done. Whenever you're ready to use it, basically just give it a good shake and apply it to your hair. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, what are you doing? Go ahead and subscribe, show some love, show some support. I really appreciate you guys who comment and give me a thumbs up in my other videos. I hope you continue to do that. Let me know if you guys have any particular video requests, and yeah, I'll do my best to make a video on it. Don't forget to follow me at Instagram at LusciousSkin&Hair for regular updates on what I'm up to, and every now and again I might do a giveaway on there as well. And if you want to support me further, you can subscribe to my mailing list through my website, just down the bottom of the homepage, or you can shop from my store. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, I will see you in my next video. Take care, guys. Bye.